Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 76,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include appearance package, lighting package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, CD changer, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.